Hey there, welcome back to Wealth and Health Mastery. Today we're diving into a fascinating topic, intermittent fasting for endomorphs. If you've ever wondered how to tailor intermittent fasting to suit your body type, especially if you're an endomorph, this video is for you. We'll cover everything from what intermittent fasting is, to the benefits, the best diet plan, and even exercises for endomorphs. So make sure to stick around to the end. Intermittent fasting isn't a diet, it's an eating pattern where you alternate between periods of eating and fasting. It simplifies your routine, improves insulin sensitivity, and burns fat. But not all fasting methods work the same for everyone, especially for endomorphs. Endomorphs have a naturally softer, rounder body type. They tend to store fat more easily and may struggle with weight loss compared to other body types. The right intermittent fasting strategy helps work with your body type, not against it. First thing we will talk about today is how does intermittent fasting help endomorphs? Here are some key benefits. Number 1 is improved insulin sensitivity. Fasting helps your body manage blood sugar better, reducing fat storage. Number 2 is enhanced fat loss. Fasting shifts your body into fat-burning mode, which is crucial for endomorphs. Number 3 benefit is boosted metabolic rate. It encourages your body to burn calories more efficiently. Number 4 benefit is hormonal balance. Fasting regulates hormones like leptin and ghrelin, which control hunger and fat storage. Number 5 benefit is long-term sustainability. Unlike restrictive diets, fasting is flexible and easy to stick to. The best fasting windows for endomorphs are the 16-8 schedule, which means 16 hours of fasting and an 8-hour eating window, or the 14-10 schedule, which is less intense. Pick the one that fits your lifestyle best and stay consistent. The benefits of fasting for endomorphs are amazing. You'll notice reduced belly fat, more energy, fewer cravings, and improved mental clarity. It's a total win for your health and well-being. When it comes to your diet plan, focus on nutrient-dense, whole foods during your eating window. Lean proteins like chicken and fish, healthy fats like avocado and nuts, and plenty of veggies are your best friends. For carbs, stick to complex options like quinoa or sweet potatoes, and always practice portion control. Avoid sugary snacks, refined carbs, and processed junk food during your eating window. Foods like soda, candy, fried items, and anything high in added sugars will spike your insulin levels and hinder your progress. Pair fasting with the right exercises for the best results. Endomorphs benefit most from a combination of strength training and cardio. Aim for 3 to 4 days of weightlifting and 2 to 3 days of high-intensity interval training, or HIIT. Stay active throughout the day with walks, stairs, or any movement that keeps you going. Watch out for these common mistakes. Overeating during your eating window. Fasting isn't a free pass to binge. Skipping hydration. Always drink plenty of water, even during fasting. Choosing the wrong foods. Your results depend on eating the right nutrients, not just fasting. Intermittent fasting is a powerful tool for endomorphs when done right. It can improve your health, shed fat, and make you feel amazing. Pair it with the right foods, exercises, and consistency, and you'll see results in no time. If you are interested to learn more about intermittent fasting, check out my book on Amazon on intermittent fasting for women. Click the link in the description to learn more. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who needs it, and don't forget to subscribe to Wealth and Health Mastery. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.